Hello, Hess Toy Truck fans. Here's today's snippet of our exclusive interview with Hess Toy Truck, verbalized for maximum dramatic impact and entertainment value. Fan question. In our last interview, you stressed the importance of consumer insights, and it seems they've really paid off with the long-requested fan favorite tow truck and ambulance releases in 2019 and 20, respectively. Are there more fan feedback models in the pipeline? Hess Toy Truck answer. Insights include more than just listening to fan requests for items. We consider a ton of information when it comes to considering what models we bring into the pipeline. Examples of things we consider insights are general toy trends, technology trends as it relates to how kids play, competitor toy company products, survey feedback we gather from both existing and prior customers, historical sales results for our own toys, and even upcoming entertainment releases, which typically drive a lot of the toy trends. All that tends to lead to a very big toy chest of ideas that we explore through the pipeline product development process, so it's very likely that fan feedback models, as you call it, are included in that broad pipeline. But whether they ultimately make it to marketing and how long that might take will depend on many other things such as manufacturing capabilities, cost, and ensuring we aren't repeating products that have been already released by us, at least for a long time and with enough changes to be a real differentiated improvement. Tomorrow brings the next question and answer. Hess Truck Books. Like, subscribe, follow. No affiliation or endorsement by Hess Corporation.